Yo, welcome back to another video. Karibuni sana. Asanteni kwa wale una subscribe. Keep on subscribing. Na usisahau kugonga hiyo kengele bana. So unataka kuwa notified on new videos. Anyway, before we start, I want to ask you a question, okay? I want to ask you a question. You have to reply with false. Is it false or is it true? Down in the comment section. Imagination is better than knowledge. True or false? Nipeni answer yenu kwa comment hapo hivyo. Hapo chini. Anyway, tuanze. Ringtone. A Kenyan gospel artist. Yeah. The only one, Ringtone Apoko. Sijui ni anaitangwa Apoko. So this guy, his description on the internet is arrogant, prideful, and his mediocre behavior on the internet does not help his case. So this guy, he caused an accident. Yeah, he caused an accident. And he was talking rudely to the person he hit. Okay? Yani alicause accident, alafu anaongea vibaya. Na yeye ndo amecause the accident. See the other person, ni yeye. Tell me, if it was you, if you were in the shoes of that madam, the madam aligonga na gari, akugonga na madam, aligonga gari ya madam, okay? Sorry for that. If you were in her shoes, what would you have done? Ungefanya nini? Eh? Well, angalia hii video, check this video out, and then tell me. Tell me down in the comment, what would you have done? Okay? Take a look.
Umeambia mtu wa kufacilitate, you don't know how much to facilitate. Sawa. Wewe mimi usinichukue. Sawa. Hey, excuse me. Don't fucking dare take me. Tu achana nayo.
No, my car has to be fixed.
My car has to be.
I don't know.
Basi kama ni hivyo. Hii anaona ngine police station. Hii hata.
Sawa.
Ndio nasema hii
there is no point.
Yawa. Angalia nini kwa hapo?
No, but now you have to fix my car, sir.
Na mimi I can't fix. I'm not a mechanic.
Okay, sir, you have to facilitate that.
Mimi sina do. Nimeshakuomba pole.
Sasa you already fix my car. Boss, nataka karao. Fuck. If you wish to pay. What?
Actually, unajua ulishika emergency.
No, sikushika emergency. I did not.
Hey, brother. Come.
I did.
Come, utapata pesa ya macho. Hey. Come, dakika moja. Utapata pesa ya macho hapa.
Alafu check.
1 second.
Boot imepanda na taa. At least taa haija break. Taa haija break.
Usiende police station, ni nini unaanza kunisumbua sasa?
Kitu kama hii, kitu sikisana na mtu.
Huyu msichana kataa kurepair.
Sasa hii sana aje, mimi si mechanic. Wewe hata kunishika unaongelesha mbaya. Nakwambia hivi. So mimi si mechanic, siwezi tengeneza.
Okay, I'm asking you to facilitate.
Facilitate how much?
I don't know.
Just if you don't know, help yourself.
So why you being good?
Unaambia mtu wa kufacilitate, you don't know how much to facilitate. Wewe mimi usinichukue.
Sawa.
Hey, excuse me.
This guy. Hey. Ringtone Apoko. Hey. This guy is too arrogant, man. He's very, very arrogant. There's an incident ilitokea. Guys came in with, I think it was AK-47s. Yeah? They came in and robbed a store, a shop. Yeah, with AK-47s. They robbed and they killed people. Okay? AK-47. My question is, how watu walitoa wapi hizo guns? Because 90% of robbery ina involve guns. Ukifuatilia, mostly the guns belong to the cops. Okay? The guns belong to the police officers. So, where did they get those guns from? Obviously, police in those areas. They give away their guns. The people go rob with their guns. And wanalipia hizo bunduki. Wanashare the loot. Okay? They share the loot, wanagawia afande yake kwa kuwapatia gun and then wanachukua yao. Anyway, take a look at this video and tell me, what do you think? Be the judge.
Umemaliza kunini?
Kidogo tu tukuwe na at least nini mbili, naendanga huko flash na kwa imefail ama unadunga kwa virus inaikula, mkuwe na copy
Kenya
at least.
si rahisi upate bunduki. This is not US, okay? This is not US. Hauwezi enda nunua bunduki kwa supermarket kama mkate, okay? You can never do that in Kenya. Hao watu mali walitoa bunduki, obvious imesupplyiwa na government. Some government official is doing something, okay? Ukifuatilia hapo hivyo, ai. Anyway, that's it for today. If you like the video, gonga like bana, gonga like. And usiangalie video kama hiyo button bado iko red. Subscribe. Okay? That's it for today. Peace.